Welcome to your dream Kentucky farmhouse, a move-in ready retreat set on 10 acres of rolling countryside, just minutes from town and only 11 miles from the sparkling waters of Lake Cumberland. This charming home blends timeless character with modern comfort. Originally built as an 800-square-foot farmhouse, it was fully rebuilt in 1999 and expanded with a two-story addition, now offering a generous 2,280 square feet of living space. Floor-to-ceiling windows, exposed brick, and built-ins maintain the rustic charm, while a floating staircase, zoned HVAC, and updated systems ensure everyday convenience. Step inside to an open floor plan that invites natural light to fill every corner. The heart of the home, the kitchen, features black appliances, glass front cabinets, a large island, coffee bar, and a picture window framing the picturesque landscape. The main floor also includes a full bath, a mudroom and laundry with direct deck access, and plenty of room for entertaining or relaxing. Upstairs, 3 spacious bedrooms with ample closets share a second full bath, complemented by extra storage for all your needs. Additional highlights include a 575-square-foot root cellar and storm shelter with exterior entry, and a 700-square-foot workshop for projects, hobbies, or equipment. Outdoors, over 7 acres of rolling pasture and 3 acres of mature timber, including hickory, maple, oak, and yellow-poplar, provide a serene backdrop, along with a 0.3-acre pond. A wraparound porch and back deck offer the perfect spots for morning coffee or evening sunsets, while a horseshoe blacktop driveway leads to a level pad ready for a barn, garage, or your next big project. Whether you're looking to homestead, invest, or settle in full-time, this Kentucky property combines space, privacy, and convenience with the charm of country living and access to lakes, rivers, and endless outdoor opportunities. This is more than a home. It's a lifestyle. Make the call today and step into your own slice of Kentucky paradise.